Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to invest on Revolut. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up the Revolut mobile application, and from then on we need to access our account. Now at the top section, you should see the accounts, cards, stocks, and crypto or vault section. In this case, just scroll to the right until you see the option that says stocks, and once in the stocks section or page, what you need to do is you first have to add money. Now in this case, just click on add money to add your funds into your account, and once you've added the money or the amount that you want to use, just click on the invest button next to add money for you to start investing. Now in this case, once you click on it, you should be able to see different stocks that you could buy or shares that you could buy here. For example, if you want to buy Tesla, you could go ahead and click on it. Or if you want to buy Apple, you could go ahead and click on Apple here. In this case, once you've clicked on the appropriate or stocks that you want to buy or shares that you want to buy, what you need to do next is you need to indicate how much you want to buy. Like for example, in the USD section, you could go ahead and indicate how much you want to actually buy. Now you could also change the order by clicking on market order and change this to a different one. Now in this case, just click on the buy button that you see at the very bottom there, and from then on you should be able to start investing here on Revolut. Now by the way, you can only invest if the market is open, so if the market is closed, you won't be able to proceed with the transaction. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.